When you use applications like Microsoft Excel for proposal pricing, you are limited in the types of things that you can do to restrict your users from making changes to others' data. It's also impossible to have hundreds or thousands of concurrent users within the same proposal making changes at the same time. In ProPricer, all your users can work together in the same proposal at the same time with an explicit set of permissions called roles. The ability to create and edit these roles allows system administrators to determine exactly what their users can and cannot do within the application. One of the typical ways roles are used is based on function. You don't want your estimators to be able to go and edit your direct rates. You don't want pricers from one business unit to be able to go in and change proposals from another. Using roles to set access permissions for your user base, you have peace of mind that everyone can do exactly what their job requires. If you'd like to see even more features that ProPricer has to offer to streamline your pricing process, check out the other videos at ProPricer.com. Thanks for watching.